Hello, sir. I am Raj Patel from the bank support department. There is a problem with your account.
What kind of problem? What bank are you from?
Sir, I can explain everything, but first I need to confirm your full name to verify the account.
If you're really from my bank, then why don't you already know my name?
Sir, it's just for safety. We don't see full info without your confirmation.
That sounds strange. You said there's a problem, but you don't know who I am?
It's a quick check, sir. Then I'll help you fix the issue.
You asked for my name, number. What's next? A code from my phone?
Yes, sir. To be sure you are the account holder. We are from bank support department.
I've never heard of that before. Is this even real?
We help with account safety for many banks.
Now this really feels fake. My bank never called me like this.
Your account might get paused.
You're just trying to scare me now. I don't trust this.
Sir, I've helped many people. You can believe me.
No, this is a scam. Goodbye.
Sir, please.
Don't call me again.